This refined dish brings together the meaty, buttery texture of turbot with a vibrant Mediterranean-style sauce. Turbot is often called the king of fish, so the goal is to keep the fish prep simple while letting the sauce Provençale provide the bold flavor. Fillet of turbot with creamy mash and sauce. Provençale serves. 2. Prep time, 20 mins. Cook time, 25 mins. Ingredients: the turbot and peas, 2 turbot fillets, approx 150-180 gram each, skin on, 200 gram garden peas, fresh or frozen, 1 tbsp butter for the peas, 1 tbsp olive oil, and 1 knob of butter for frying the fish. The creamy mash, 400 gram floury potatoes, Maris Piper or King Edward, 50 green, unsalted butter, 50 ml, whole milk or heavy cream, salt and white pepper. The Provence sauce, 1 shallot, finely diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 200 gram cherry tomatoes, halved, or 1 tin of high-quality chopped tomatoes, 1 tbsp capers, drained 10 black olives, niçoise or kalamata, pitted and halved, 50 ml dry white wine, 1 tsp herb de Provence, thyme, rosemary, oregano, fresh parsley, chopped. Instructions 1. Make the creamy mash peel and chop the potatoes into even chunks. Boil in salted water for 15-20 minutes until tender. Drain and let them steam dry in the colander for a minute. This ensures a fluffy mash. Mash thoroughly or pass through a ricer. Fold in the butter and warm milk just cream until silky smooth. Season and keep warm. 2. Prepare the Provence sauce. In a small saucepan, heat a splash of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté the shallots and garlic until soft but not browned. Add the tomatoes and herbes de Provence. Cook for 5 minutes until the tomatoes begin to break down into a sauce. Pour in the white wine and let it bubble and reduce by half. Stir in the capers and olives. Simmer on low heat while you cook the fish. Just before serving, stir in the fresh parsley. 3. Cook the green peas. Blanch the peas in boiling salted water for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain and toss with a knob of butter and a pinch of salt. Optional, add a leaf of torn mint for extra freshness. 4. Pan-sear the turbot. Pat the turbot fillets completely dry with paper towels. Season the skin side with salt. Heat olive oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, place the fish skin side down. Press down gently with a spatula for 30 seconds to ensure even contact. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is golden and crisp. Flip the fish and add a knob of butter to the pan. Baste the fish with the foaming butter for another 1 to 2 minutes until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily. Place a generous mound of creamy mash in the center of each plate. Spoon the green peas around or to the side of the mash. Perch the turbot fillet, skin side up to stay crisp, on top of the mash. Generously spoon the Provence sauce over and around the fish, ensuring you get plenty of olives and capers in every serving.